Barish from Golden Caregiving, and a lot of people are wanting to make their own hand sanitizer, and so I wanted to talk with you about what we did yesterday to make hand sanitizer for our clients and caregivers. So we started with alcohol. Rob, my husband, and I drove to Yuma, Arizona last weekend, and we bought 190 proof, which is 95% alcohol. You need to use at least 90% alcohol if you're going to use your own, because when you then cut it with aloe, it's going to bring it down to about 60%, which is the minimum that you need to use for your hand sanitizer. Now, I ordered aloe on Amazon and it hasn't arrived yet. I have no idea when it's going to get here. So we actually went out into our garden and harvested a bunch of aloe leaves. And at the end of this video, I'm going to attach photos of the process. It took us several hours, so of course I wasn't going to do a video of the actual production. It's also very, very messy and slimy stuff. Really interesting to work with. I'd never done anything like this before. Hopefully the aloe gel I ordered will get here before I need to make more. But what we did is we did 2 parts of the alcohol to 1 part of aloe vera, and then I added 15 drops. So if you do 1 cup of alcohol, a 1/2 cup of aloe, 15 drops of tea tree oil, or you can use any essential oil. The aloe is a little bit stinky, so this does help cut that odor. The process that we went through was that we blended it up really well, and then we filtered it twice. Then we added the other ingredients, and then before I bottled, we filtered it 1 more time. Now, this hand sanitizer, if you can see, it's much more liquid than what you're going to find in the grocery store. That's a much more gel-based, and it really has to do with the processing of the aloe. When we processed it, it just became very liquid. So you need to use either a spray bottle, so that when you spray it, you have a controlled amount, or we also were able to obtain these little dropper bottles to be able to do a few drops. And if you use a bottle with too large an opening, it's going to pour everywhere. We are looking for more bottles. As you can see, we have a bunch of extra hand sanitizer that we will refill bottles with. Don't confuse it with margarita mix, kind of looks like that, but it's very effective, and I hope this helps. And have a wonderful day. If you decide to harvest your own aloe, be prepared. It's a slimy mess, but it's kind of a fun process. Take care, have a great day.